Good morning. Good morning, everyone. I welcome Dr. G.S. Angelin, Head and Associate Professor of English, and Ms. P. Hemalata, Assistant Professor of English. And I request the madams to be the judges of for today's programs. And I welcome the students, participants. And as a team, we wish you all the best. And there are no much rules to follow except the speech should not exceed 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes, you have to finish your speech. That's all. Let your speech be clear with relevant points. Okay. Shall we start? Surya?
Yes, ma'am.
Name call out பண்ணிருங்க.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. All the best to all the participants. And good morning, judges. GSA, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. And Hema, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Okay. The first participant is yes, Harini, first BA English from MEM College. Harini, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Your time starts now.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Yas Harini from First BA English Literature, Shift 1 from MB Muttaya Government Arts College for Women, Guntukar. Here, I'm going to talk on this topic, Women in Nation Building. First of all, I'm proud to be a woman. I start with a beautiful quote that women are the real architects of society. Women are the epitome of wealth and poor. Women play an important role in the society, and the whole family should depend on women for their daily activities. One of the major hindrances in the growth and advancement of women is gender inequality. As seeing a female, she should not go outside. She should do all work in the home. This is not fair. As the act was passed, that Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005. This law was changed recently that new law, sons, daughters and their mothers had equal share on her father's land. This law will benefit all number of women, and this law will apply to all state and union territories. Quality education is the key to women's empowerment. If education is given, women's goal will be achieved. When gender inequality eliminated, women's empowerment will be achieved. We should give equal respect to women in equal pay, equal respect, and we should treat women as equal to men. In early days, there were some women who fixed women into one image, that is stereotype. Women in India playing an important role in country's governance, as may women emerged as exemplary leaders in polity level as well as the community level. In polity level, you can take example as our former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi and our West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. All over Europe and USA, there was some women who fight for their participation in government. This is called women suffrage movement. This suffrage means right to vote. American women got right to vote in 1928, while UK got right to vote in 1920. New Zealand was the first self-governing country who said that all women had right to vote. Lastly, end with a beautiful quote that one woman can make a difference, but together we can rock the world. Thank you for giving me a wonderful opportunity. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Harini. Ma'am, shall I read the next girl's name, ma'am?
Sure, da.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, Mahavarshini, first year ECE from NPR College of Engineering.
Ma'am, shall I start, ma'am?
Yes.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Bronisawa. I have blessed with the baby girl. I named her Mary Curie. I'll teach her how to cook, wash, and dust, and not let her go out and pursue her dreams. And after all, she's a girl. Just imagine if Madam Mary's parents had thought like that at her birth, What would this world become without her contributions? A very happy morning to one and all. And I'm S. Mahavarshini from NPR CET. And today I'm here to eloquate on the topic Women in Nation. பயந்து பணிந்து மிரண்டது போதும் இனி தெளிந்து துணிந்து மீண்டெழ வேண்டும் மழலை மனம் மாறாத உன்னை வன்புணரவே வாயின் மாற வேண்டியது அவனே மாற்றம் காண்போம் இனிமே அடுத்த அடியை நீ எடுத்து வைத்தால் 1000 கதவுகள் திறந்திடும் உனக்கு அழுகை அதை நீ துடை தெரிந்தால் ஆடவர் திமிரும் அடங்கிவிடும் வலியது மட்டுமே பிழைத்திருக்கும் தீரம் கொண்டு வெளிவா பெண்ணே. As per Bharatiya's thought, our women have a great part to play in the progress of our country, as mental and physical contact of women with life is much more lasting and comprehensive than of man. For the hand that rocks the cradle rules the world. In women is hidden the revolutionary energy which came paradise on the earth. In a post-colonial India, women have played a significant role as doctors, engineers, diplomats, scientists, and even as prime ministers. In the last 2 decades, women started to stand on their own. In this era, we find the role of women in the myth that higher fields were only meant for men has been demolished by the women. Women have proved to be more vibrant. தன்னை உருக்கி பிறருக்கு ஒளி கொடுப்பது மெழுகு மட்டுமல்ல சில இடங்களில் பெண்களும் தான் தனக்காக வாழ நினைப்பதை விட தன்னை நம்பி இருப்பவர்களுக்காக தன் வாழ்வையே சிலர் அர்ப்பணித்து விடுகிறார்கள். Really, women are more selfless and dedicated on their duty and have much potence than man naturally. In order to make optimum use of our vast women power, we must liberate Indian women of many social taboos. அதே சமயம் பெண்களுக்கு கட்டுப்பாட்டுடைய சுதந்திரம் மிக 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 அவசியம். The discussion pinpointed many areas of everyday life where women are often subjected to sexual attention. Simply traveling on public transport can expose women to sexual harassment and violence. In some cultures, sexually abusive languages is used to shame women into silence if they try to make their voice heard in public decision making. Several contributors said that often there were no clear sanctions for such behavior and consistent enforcement of laws against sexual harassment and violence is lacking. So it's woman's duty to be cautious. It's the duty of every woman like us to be strong, to stand against the odds and injustice and erupt like a volcano before them. Last but not the least, our women today has become unstoppable. So we to start doing and get wishes. Thank you. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity.
Thank you, Mahavarshini.
Students,
Yes, ma'am.
Surya,
Yes.
let the students be in bilingual pa. Judges கேளுங்க கொஞ்சம். You can ask suggestions from the judges. Let it be in pure English or they can speak both in Tamil and English.
Ma'am,
Akka?
Angeline, Hema ma'am.
ஹேமா எப்படி அவங்க
நீங்க
வந்து
இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் எப்படி கொடுத்துருக்கீங்கப்பா?
இல்ல நம்ம வந்து இங்கிலீஷ் தான் சொன்னது.
இங்கிலீஷ் தான். அப்ப அதுலயே நிக்கிறது தான் நல்லது.
ஓகே, லெட் இட் பி இன்
நான்
இங்கிலீஷ்.
முதல்ல இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் எப்படி கொடுத்தாங்களோ அதுபடி போயிட வேண்டியதான்.
இல்ல இட் இஸ் ஆக்சுவலி இது வந்து டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் ஆஃப் இங்கிலீஷ் தான் கண்டக்ட் பண்ணுது. சோ இட் ஷுட் பி இன் இங்கிலீஷ். ஓகே
ஓகே
ஓகே.
Ma'am, as far as this candidate is concerned, she just quoted the verse from Bharatiyar.
Oh yes. So okay. It is from Bharatiyar's Kavidai.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can be admitted as yes.
Flexibility.
Okay.
Ma'am, GSA ma'am. GSA ma'am.
How the instruction, no, it's a competition. How
Okay,
they
ma'am.
had given instruction, it should be followed.
Yes, ma'am.
No, we have not given any instruction regarding this car, but
Okay.
she has quoted verses from Bharatiyar. It can be admitted, I think.
Okay.
If it is a quote from
Okay,
any
okay,
Tamil, we can admit. Otherwise, they should not speak in Tamil. That's all.
okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
And the next girl is Pandishwari from first BA English, MEM College.
Stop my video. Start my video. Start video. Video now stopped. Video now stopped.
Pandiswari is absent.
Slide
Pandishwari.
maker.lib. Current newest
Pandishwari
gallery
is
video.
absent.
Double tap to show toolbar.
Hema.
Okay,
Current
Gayatri, first
audio
BSc
now unmuted.
MEM College.
Gayatri Devi. Must be a match.
Gayatri.
Gayatri Devi.
Gayatri Devi is present? Absent.
Okay,
She's
ma'am.
there. She's there. Wait. Gayatri Devi. See, we cannot wait for a long time, ma.
Go to the next candidate.
Okay.
Okay,
Absent
ma'am.
போட்டேன் நான்.
Morning.
Audio
Yes,
now
ma'am.
unmuted.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, yes,
Audio now
ma'am.
unmuted.
Who is this,
May I
ma'am?
start?
Can you use my
Pandishwari,
audio?
yeah.
Ma'am, can
Who
I
is this? Who is
start?
it?
Ma'am, K. Gayatri Devi.
Speaking.
BSc Max,
Okay.
first year.
Gayatri Devi. Okay. Okay, start.
Can I start, ma'am?
Yes.
Gayatri
Good
Devi?
morning to all of you.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can start, ma'am. Start.
Start.
Okay, line கிடைக்கல போல இருக்கு. Now we'll move on to the next one.
Okay, ma'am.
Mm.
Yes, Banazir, second BSc Chemistry from MEM College. Yes, Banazir.
Benas is also absent, pa.
Yes, ma'am.
Antala.
Yes, ma'am.
Shit.
Good morning to all. Today's topic, women in nations buildings. Today, modern women. Many women have proved themselves in a dynamic, vibrant, honest, and proven form in many worlds. His efforts and role in shaping the development of a nation have proved that today's educated and modern women have shed their shyness and fear. He has shown the world that he is very well equipped to compass in personal and professional fields. They are
Banazir,
successful
please
as
switch on the video.
yes, ma'am.
Then you can do.
Yes.
Continue.
Many women have proved themselves a dynamic, vibrant, honest, and a proven form in many worlds. His efforts and role in shaping the development of a nation have to prove that today educated and modern women have shedded their shyness and fear. He has shown to the world that he is very well equipped and complete in personal and professional fields. They are successful as well as both professionals, academics, and bureaucrats and politicians. Women like Indira Gandhi, Margaret Thatcher, Golden Handmaid, Mayo Bandra Naik have proven themselves better than all men who are better than their male counterparts. These women, along with their faith, shaped the destiny of their country in such an efficient way that the whole society was proud of them. There is no chance for the welfare of the world till the situation of women becomes better. Till the bird is not possible to fly on one wing. Thank you for all.
Thank you, dear. Then, our Nandini, first BSc Chemistry from MEM College. Or Nandini. Or Nandini. Ma'am, you know, ma'am?
Go to the next candidate, Surya.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Mm.
D. Subalakshmi, BCom CA from Shakti College. From Shakti College. D. Subalakshmi.
Ma'am,
Ah,
now I can start, ma'am.
yes, Sivarakshmi. Can start.
Good morning to another gathered youth. I am Subhalakshmi from Sakti College. My topic is Women in Nation Building. The glossary days of our freedom struggle. India women have played a key role of every field of life, such as a nation building, empowerment of a society, taking the nation forward on the development path and leading the country in clean drive. The women have founded themselves in very significant position and play their role with utmost excellence. Although the important the woman cannot be attributed only to the freedom struggle and day back of her independence struggle. Since during the 1857, the revolt, India had important women participants such as Rani Mangammal, Sarojini Naidu. Now I am going to tell about nowadays the women are. The woman is the most active part of a country. They ever know the woman has asset of a nation because the woman is building block of a country. The every city nation has been responsible to develop it. But the role of woman in nation, the building is the more important that you are minded. The woman should be contribute the nation by doing useful things in different sector like education, health, technology, and politics, etc. We able to know the women facing many problems in nowadays. We need to give them many opportunities to equal to men. So they can success well. They should be first get good education to able and skillful person. If a woman is educated, they can apply a new method for the progress of a nation. The women are very energetic and they have the ability to learn, adapt, and environment. So our women can be society reform and improvement of a society. It is reality that the progress of a country, it is handed it in women. The women of a country determine the of a nation. So I am very proud I am to be a woman. So thank you for giving this opportunity, ma'am.
Thank you, dear. The next participant is N.V. Shenbakavartini, BCom CA from Shakti College. N.V. Shenbakavartini.
Ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Okay.
I start now, ma'am.
Yeah, you start.
Good morning to honorable present here. My name is Shenba Vatni. I'm studying college, Sakti College of Arts and Science for Women. Speech is Women in National Building. In the participants of independent in women have played a scientific role as a doctor, engineering, judges, scientists, etc. And even as the Prime Minister, Vijay Lakshmi create a recording by becoming the first woman Prime Minister of the United Nations General. The high facilities were only made for men has been developed by women. Women have provided to more participants in the event field. They have the ability to access to in any access understanding. Model of women in the present age occupied topic range and searches in all the fields as an policies, arts, etc. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, dear. Next comes G. Dharani, BSc Chemistry from M.B. Muthaiya Government Arts College. G. Dharani.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning to all. Today I'm going to talking about women in India building. Women's roles in Indian politics was seen recently when Prime Minister Narendra Modi congratulated the people of Uttar Pradesh of electing a record number of 38 women's MLAs in the recent Uttar Pradesh election. The stellar result came despite the political participants fields 96 women's candidates in the electoral election. Let us analyze the woman's role in the social political scenes of Indians since the days of freedom struggles. Thank you for giving a wonderful opportunity, ma'am.
Okay. And S.K. Rafiq Ahmed, first BA English, Sadaqatullah Upper College, Tirunelveli. S.K. Rafiq Ahmed.
He was there, la? Rafid Ahmed, SK Rafid Ahmed. Okay, move on to the next one.
Okay,
Participants la irukangala? Participants la
Irukanga,
paranga whether he has left.
Was responded, ma'am.
No,
Rafiq Ahmed.
No, he's not there now.
Okay.
Okay.
He has left. But he said he was present. Okay.
Then, for
Yes.
Niranjana Kirti, first BSc Maths from MEM College. For Niranjana Kirti.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can Mrs. Vedar ma'am? Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Good morning to. Shall I start, ma'am?
Yes.
Start.
First of all, I thank for all who gave my opportunity. Good morning to everyone. Now I'm going to share few words about women in the nation development. Nation development or nation building, both are same. Our women have a great part to play in the process of our country as mental and physical context of women in life. But women life is much more competitive and much more lasting than the men. For the hand that rocks, the cudgel, the worlds. In woman is hidden the revolutionary energy which has established paradise on the earth. Many women all over the world have proved themselves as dynamic, admirable, sincere, perfect in many fields. Their effect and role in shaping the nation is much more effective. They play the major role in shaping the world or nation. Both are same. They are effective and resonant enough to face all the odds and preservative problems faced by the women. Women such as Indira Gandhi, Kiran Bedi have proved themselves in all manners better than their male. These women shaped their own destiny as a country's destiny to make the whole nation to be proud. Today's educated and modern women have shaped their ambitions without fear. They have shown their world to they are highly equipped to competitive than the men. Yeah, women is more powerful than men. Men should realize the power of men. Men should realize the power of women. And women should also realize the power of men. The government, first of all, the government needs to formulate the laws to check the rising crimes about the woman. It needs to ensure these laws are against the women and securities about the women. The government should admit at eradicating the literacy, which can play an important role in the woman empowerment. An educated woman is an asset to the country and forms the nation building. Swami Vivekananda. Yeah, Swami Vivekananda has rightly quoted, there is no chance for the welfare of the world unless the condition of woman is empowered. There is no chance for the welfare of the world unless the condition of woman is improved. It is impossible for the bird to fly on only one wing. Yeah, that is impossible for a bird to fly in only one wing. Therefore, hold a key position and her role in shaping the fate of the nation must be recognized and should be first respected. There are successful both as homemakers as well as professions and politicians too. So we have to respect the woman. Role of women in nation development cannot be denied. Women remain the foremost artisans of many societies because they are our first teachers and nurses. I conclude here too, and to be stay safe in home, and thank you one and all to give me the opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, dear. Next comes Yuvashri from Dr. NGR Government Arts and Science College, Viluppuram. Yuvashri from NGR College.
Good morning to everyone. Ma'am, I'm using laptop, ma'am.
Okay.
So video on பண்ண முடியாது. Okay வா ma'am?
வீடியோ ஆன் பண்ண முடியாதா?
Yes ma'am.
ஏண்டா? வீடியோ
Laptop
ஆன் பண்ணாம நீங்க தான் அப்படின்னு எங்களுக்கு எப்படி தெரியும்? யுவஸ்ரீ, which college?
MGR college ma'am.
Judges சொல்றது தான்.
Please give me 5 minutes time ma'am. I connect my
Yes.
phone.
கனெக்ட் பண்ணுங்க. கேமரால வாங்க, ஸ்கிரீன்ல வாங்க.
Okay ma'am. அதுக்குள்ள வேற யாரா present பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்குள்ள வேற யாரா present பண்ணட்டுமா ma'am?
Thank you very much for your advice.
Okay ma'am.
சரி வாங்க அதுக்கப்புறம். சூர்யா, next candidate யார்?
Okay ma'am. Then comes Vishnu Priya. Vishnu Priya, first BSc Chemistry from MEM College. Vishnu Priya.
Next pa. Vishnu Priya. Vishnu Priya.
விஷ்ணு பிரியா இருக்குப்பா, பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்ஸ் லிஸ்ட்ல இருக்கு அதுல. விஷ்ணு பிரியா, unmute yourself.
Ma'am.
Next participant.
சூர்யா, விஷ்ணு பிரியா வந்து செகண்ட் BA கெமிஸ்ட்ரி சொன்னீங்க, ஆனா அதுல ஏதோ BA இங்கிலீஷ் போட்டுருக்கு பாருங்க.
Ma'am, first BSc Chemistry சொன்னா ma'am. விஷ்ணு பிரியா.
பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்ஸ் லிஸ்ட்ல ஒரு விஷ்ணு பிரியா இருக்கு, அது இங்கிலீஷ் போட்டிருக்க மாதிரி தெரியுது பாருங்க. BA இங்கிலீஷ் போட்டிருக்க மாதிரி.
English department ma'am.
K விஷ்ணு பிரியாவா? உங்களோட இனிஷியல் என்ன?
Yes ma'am, K Vishnu Priya. நான் essay writing ma'am.
என்னப்பா? ஆடியன்ஸ் அவங்க. Okay, she is an audience போடுது.
Okay, leave it. விஷ்ணு பிரியா BSc கெமிஸ்ட்ரி அப்ப ஆப்சென்ட்டா?
Absent.
Okay ma'am. Then P Vinodini, first BSc Maths from MEM College. P Vinodini.
Story writing ma'am.
என்னவா?
ஸ்டோரி ரைட்டிங்ல இருக்கலாம். சரி, அடுத்த ஆளுக்கு போங்க.
Okay ma'am. P Niveta, third BCom CA from Shakti College. P Niveta from Shakti College. She also doesn't respond, ma'am.
Okay, go to the next.
They're not willing. Go to the next participant.
Mahima from MEM College. First BSc Physics. Mahima, first BSc Physics from MEM College.
Mahima also, she herself came forward. Yeah, Mahima. இப்போ வந்து ஃபயர் கொடுத்தாங்க. Mahima,
are you present?
Mahima, she voluntarily came and gave her name, but
yes,
now she is not responding.
Does not respond.
Okay.
And then M Pavitra from Shakti College. M Pavitra.
Pavitra also. Okay.
Then P Prabhavati, first BSc Chemistry from MEM College. P Prabhavati.
Okay. She is not here.
Okay. Ma'am, again shall we move to Shri ma'am? Yuvashri from Dr. Science College. Are you ready, dear?
Yes ma'am.
Start now.
Okay, ma'am, I'm visible, ma'am.
Yes.
Good morning to everyone. I'm studying in Dr. MJ Women's Arts and Science College, Yale University. In this story, I written my own thoughts about how a girl lives in this
Story.
society and yes,
1 minute.
short
1
story,
minute.
ma'am.
No. This is elocution competition. Nivedha, her பேர் என்ன? What's her?
Let her continue.
She's narrating a story.
No, ma'am.
She has come for a short story competition. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. I'll story written.
This is
You are
actually
participating in elocution competition.
elocution. The title is Women Nation Building. Women in Nation Building. See, what do you think of this? You're not ready, ma?
Yuvashri, switch on the video.
No, ma'am.
You're not ready.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Short story.
Okay, ma'am. That's it, ma'am.
Okay. That's all, ma'am. Okay. That's all the students, I think.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
If any student is left,
Ma'am.
who is that?
Ma'am, I'm Gayatri Devi, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Network problem, ma'am.
Gayatri Devi, which college? Which major?
MBM. BSc Mathematics, first year, MBM college, ma'am.
Okay. Proceed, ma.
Ma'am, நான் சொல்லலாமா மேம்? நான் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாமா?
Start.
Judges. லைன் கட் ஆயிடுச்சு. ஜட்ஜஸ் அவங்க ஜஸ்ட் அங்க பேச ஆரம்பிச்சப்ப லைன் கட் ஆயிடுச்சு. இப்போ நம்ம அலோவ் பண்ணலாமா? அலோவ் பண்ணலாமா?
ஹேமா என்ன சொல்றீங்க? அலோவ் பண்ணலாமா அந்த ஒரு கேண்டிடேட்?
Yes, ma'am. Connectivity is a major problem in them.
Okay.
Gayatri Devi, you can start.
Switch on the video and you can start speaking.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Start my video. Current news gallery. Mute my audio.
Good morning to all of you. Respected principal. Good morning to all of you. Respected principal, guest of honor, beloved lecturers,
Switch on the
my
video.
dear friends. Video. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning to all of you. I'm K.
Gayatri
Gayatri Devi,
Devi.
BSc Mathematics first year.
Continue. Continue.
Good morning to all. I'm K. Gayatri Devi, BSc Mathematics first year in MBM Government Arts College for Women, Dindigul. Today, in this auspicious occasion, I'm here to present Women in Nation Building elocution. Many women all over the world have proved themselves as dynamic, vibrant, sincere, and perfect in many fields. Their efforts and role in shaping nations' development have proved their genius in a male-dominated society. They are efficient and perseverant enough to face all odds, challenges, obstacles, and prove their male-dominated society. Women such as Anandi Gopal Joshi, Indira Gandhi, Mother Teresa, Kiran Bedi, Vijayalakshmi Pandit, and H. They have proved their genius, and you have themselves in all manner better than their male counterparts. These women, they shaped their own destiny as well as their country's destiny. That made them whole society proud of them. Many parents today are scientists, lecturers, collectors, pilots, doctors, and yet an educated woman in an asset to the country and forms the cornerstones of nation building. You educate a man You educate a woman, you educate a generation. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thanks a lot. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Gayatri. Ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Gayatri Devi, முடிச்சிருச்சா?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then that's all the students, pa. Is there any participant?
Yes, ma'am.
Gaudaranya now she's coming online. Gaudaranya. Where she has been? Gaudaranya, we call you.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Shall I start, ma'am?
Okay, start. Yes,
Good morning,
wait.
ma'am.
Surya and
Ma'am,
judges. Whether
Oh,
she can start. Okay.
okay.
Surya, Gaudaranya, which major, from which college?
The English, ma'am, from MEM College.
English major, ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning to all. I'm Ms. Gaudaran. Good morning to all. I'm Ms. Gaudaranya Muriyasan. I'm from MB Mutaya College, Arts and Science Women. I'm English department. Today, speak about the women's in nation building. Women are played a vital role in many fields. Women's role. Today, speak about women's roles in Indian freedom struggle. Although the importance of women cannot be attributed only to the freedom struggle, as it dates back to the pre-independence struggle era. Since ancient and medieval times, the manner in which women in India came into the public sphere, particularly in political sphere, is remarkable. During the 1857 revolt, India had important women participations such as Johnston Lakshmi Bai, Sarojini Naidu, etc. The first mass participation of women in the national movement started with the Sudesi movement and kept on increasing through the non-cooperation movement with certain limitations in civil disobedience movements. We see women come in thousands of... Ma'am?
Please
Others,
interrupt.
put it,
Continue.
mute your audio.
Continue.
Okay, ma'am.
Continue.
Okay, ma'am. The first mass participation of women in the national movement started with the Sudesi movement and kept on increasing through the non-cooperation movement with certain limitations. In civil disobedience movement, we saw the women coming in thousands of numbers, leading the key accepts on the national movement through initiatives like picketing of liquor and cloth shops, taking care of the injured freedom fighters, going to jails. Therefore, they earned themselves and what they got in the constitution in 1950, which was the universal right to oral Francis. Next, women's role in politics of India. In 1917, an Irish woman, Annie Besant, became president of the Indian National Congress. And in 1925, Sarojini Naidu became the first Indian woman who assumed the role of president of INC. Moving ahead with the post-independence era, India managed electing first woman prime minister Srimant Indira Gandhi, even when the world did not even think women leaders at that time. At that time, although the participation of women in the Indian politics has not improved at the rate at which nation movement. The increasing focus of participation of women in politics is giving fruitful results to the Indian policy. Injecting democracy at the grassroots level, at the level of panchayat and municipalities, India has managed to secure thousands of women representatives. Through analysis of low representation at national and state level signal to, that the politics parties are reculant to give seats to women become the politics became a game-winning ability to and power management. Next, the women reservation bill has now become a necessary and the grassroots women political workers are prepared to assume and state and central level role in Indian politics. The increasing in the voting participation of women testifies their interest in politics. Surprisingly, in 2010 and 2012, assuming elections of women had outnumbered men in terms of voting percentage. At pan-Indian level, 2014, the difference between men and women voting percentage has come down to the meager 1.4%. The healthy and trend indicates that women are ready. They are keen and they understand the importance political process. It is important to understand that the political representation of women is important because that is how issues related to women and other major policy decisions get the right kind of space. Experience shows that when women are in important leadership roles and policies change of good. Next, women's roles in social sphere. Fortunately, women do not face discrimination in employment opportunities or promotion in the academic sphere and in sphere of the pure science. Professional and financial areas like banking and accommodated many young professional women, but the prevalence of this disparity at the lower level society are disturbing, such as women being paid less in rural labor society. So sector, it is also being said that the minimum wages act also discriminate between women and men's wages in agriculture and the construction labor sectors. We have also seen the Bollywood actors raising issues gender pay gap quite. There is a debate about the nutritional status of women, which was raised recently when so many women won Olympic medals for India. The India women are nutritionally not considered as strong as their Western counterparts. Despite the obedience limitations of low nutritional status compared to the males, Indian women performed exponentially well in Olympics. In Swachh Bharat, in Swachh Bharat also, women are leading from the front, as we often see advertisement where women reject the marriage proposals when the families did not have toilets at their home. Hence, we can see the areas of cleanliness and hygiene women are entrusted with the responsibilities within the family. To mark his achievement, the Union government is celebrating Swachh Shakti Saptak to highlight the role of women in Clean India mission and to recognize their leadership, honor women sanitation winners. In this electrification part, we have to some points to the women's roles in India. Thanks for the wonderful opportunities to me. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Gaudaranya. Ma'am, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am. So this okay, ma'am.
முடிஞ்சிருச்சு நினைக்கிறேன்.
முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிடுவோம். இனிமே யாரையும் என்கேஜ் பண்ண வேண்டாம்.
ஓகே
இந்த இது ரிசல்ட் இப்போ அனௌன்ஸ் பண்ணுமா? எப்படி இல்லது?
இல்ல இப்ப இல்ல. நம்ம ஒரு 10:30க்கு பிரின்சிபல் தான் வராங்க. நீங்க get ready with the results. Judges are requested to get ready with the results.
Okay, I will call Hema now and we will discuss.
Yes. Okay, take your own time. And the students on the line, thank you so much. All have done very well. Wish you all the best. You stay online. We will continue, and the results will be announced for all the competitions: essay writing, short story writing, verse writing, and elocution competition. Results will be announced in the valediction. Yes, principal will announce the results. Wait. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, participants.
இந்த மாதிரி காம்படிஷன்ஸ் கண்டக்ட் பண்ணனால எங்களோட டேலண்ட்ஸும் வந்து கம்ப்ளீட் ஆகாம அது மெயின்டைன் ஆயிட்டே இருக்கு மேம். எங்களுக்கும் இந்த மாதிரி என்ஜாய் இருக்கும். ஸ்டடீஸ்ல மட்டுமே இந்த மாதிரி இருந்தாதான் உங்களுக்கு கொஞ்சம் மைண்ட் ஃப்ரெஷிங்க்கும் நல்லா இருக்கும் மேம். சோ அந்த வகையில
Gaudaranya speaking to me.
ma'am.
Gaudaranya. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
ஓகே. அதனால கொஞ்சம் கொரோனா பீரியட்ல வந்து உங்களுக்கு கொஞ்சம் நல்லா இருக்குது. ஒரு சின்ன ஜன்னல் திறந்த மாதிரி இருக்கு. எஸ். சரி. எனி அதர் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்?
Thanks for conducting the program, ma'am.
Okay. Name Hariniya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And we ourselves have never expected this much of responses that we would receive from the students of various colleges. பழனி காலேஜ், அப்புறம் வந்து சக்தி காலேஜ், செயின்ட் ஆண்டனிஸ், எல்டிசி மதுரை, அப்புறம் வந்து அங்க திருநெல்வேலி, ஆமா திருநெல்வேலி, அது மாதிரி ரொம்ப வைடா வந்து ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து கிட்டத்தட்ட வந்து ஒரு 58 நம்பர் வந்து எங்களுக்கு வந்தது எஸ்ஏ ரைட்டிங் மட்டும். அது மாதிரி ஷார்ட் ஸ்டோரியும் அதே மாதிரி தான். நல்ல ரெஸ்பான்சஸ் இருந்தது. வெரி குட். நாங்க வந்து இதை கொஞ்சம் கூட நாங்க எதிர்பார்க்கல. என்ன 1 or 2 வரும், இல்லைன்னா ஒரு 10க்குள்ள வரும் அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி நாங்க எதிர்பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தோம். பட் உங்களுடைய பார்ட்டிசிபேஷன் வந்து இட்ஸ் அமேசிங். ரொம்ப
Thank you,
நல்லா
ma'am.
இருந்தது. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது. போம்ஸ் வந்து ரொம்ப சூப்பரா எழுதியிருந்தாங்க பிள்ளைங்க. இவ்வளவு டீப்பா திங்க் பண்ணி எழுதுவாங்களா அப்படிங்கிறது ரொம்ப ஆச்சரியமா இருந்தது. பட் அன்பார்ச்சுனேட்லி வி ஹவ் ஃபவுண்ட் 1 or 2 poems taken from net sources. அப்படியே நெட்ல இருந்து கொஞ்சம் பேர் அப்படி ஒரு 4-5 பேர் எழுதிட்டாங்க எடுத்து. ஆனால் நாங்க என்ன பண்ணணும்னா, நாங்க வெண்ட் அண்ட் சர்ச் ஃபார் த ஒரிஜினல். உங்களுடைய அந்த இதில் கொண்டு போய் போட்டு பார்த்து தான் நாங்கள் பயங்கரமா ஃபில்டர் பண்ணி தான் நாங்கள் கடைசியாக செலக்ட் பண்ணது. அதுக்கு வந்து நான் ஐ மஸ்ட் தேங்க் ஆர் ஸ்டாஃப் மெம்பர்ஸ், டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் ஆஃப் இங்கிலீஷ். எங்களுடைய ஸ்டாஃப் எல்லாரும் இதில் இன்வால்வ் ஆகி.
அப்ப சத்தியமா எனக்கு கிடையாது.
யாரு கௌதரன்யா காப்பி பண்ணினியா நீ கௌதரன்யா? பட் ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது. ரொம்ப 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 நல்லா இருந்தது. அதுல வந்து எங்களுக்கு
சாரி மேம், அன்மியூட் பண்ண மறந்துட்டேன் மேம்.
ஓகே. ஆக்சுவலி வந்து இப்போ பிரின்சிபல் இஸ் நாட்
இப்போ என்
அவைலபிள்.
ஸ்பீச்சுக்கு தான் மேம் நெட்ல பார்த்தேன்.
அது இல்ல see நம்ம வந்து எப்பவுமே we are அந்த எனி ஒர்க் ஆஃப் ஆர்ட் வந்து என்னன்னா twice removed from reality அப்படின்னு வந்து பிளேட்டோ சொல்லியிருக்காரு. நத்திங் இஸ் ஒரிஜினல். சரியா? நம்மளே ஒரிஜினல் கிடையாது. we are the image of our parents. அந்த பேரண்ட்ஸ் வந்து தே ஆர் த இமேஜஸ் ஆஃப் தேர் ஓன் பேரண்ட்ஸ், நம்மளுடைய ஆன்செஸ்டர்ஸ். ஸோ எனி திங் இஃப் யூ டேக் அப்படின்னா நத்திங் இஸ் வாட் ஒரிஜினல். எல்லாமே காப்பி தான், இமிட்டேஷன். சரியா? அதனால வந்து அதுவும் இந்த நம்ம எழுதுறது எதுவா இருந்தாலும் சரி, எனி கிரியேஷன் வந்து இது வந்து ஆல்வேஸ் ரிமூவ்டு ட்வைஸ் ஃப்ரம் ரியாலிட்டி. அதனால நம்ம வந்து அதை பார்த்து தான், நம்ம செகண்டரி சோர்சஸ் இருந்தால் தான் நம்ம வந்து எழுத முடியும் எதனாலுமே. ஸோ இது வந்து ரொம்ப பிரச்சனை கிடையாது. ஆனால் அடுத்து அப்படியே இன்னொருத்தவங்க போயத்தை எழுதி காம்படிஷனுக்கு அனுப்புறதுக்கு ஒரு தனி தைரியம் வேணும்ல. திங்கிங் தட் நாங்கள் எங்களுக்கு அதெல்லாம் தெரியாது அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு, ஆனாலும் எங்கள் பிள்ளைங்க கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டாங்க, எங்கள் ஸ்டாஃபு. அதுவும் ஒரு ஜாலியாக தான் இருந்தது. அதே மாதிரி ஷார்ட் ஸ்டோரி ரைட்டிங் ஆக்சுவலாக இதெல்லாம் வந்து ஒரு ப்ரீஃப் பண்ணணும்னு தான் ரெடி பண்ணி வச்சுருந்தோம். பட் இப்போ ஒரு சான்ஸ் கிடைச்சிச்சு. ஐ கேன் ஷேர் மை ஃபீலிங்ஸ். மைங்கிறத விட ஆர் ஃபீலிங்ஸ், த டீம் ஒர்க். இது வந்து எங்களுக்கு 2 ஒரு ஹைலி டேலண்டட் ஸ்டாஃப் மெம்பர்ஸ் இருக்காங்க. டெக்னிக்கல் சப்போர்ட் மிஸ் அனுஷ்யா அண்ட் மிஸ்ஸஸ் கார்த்திகை ஜோதி. இவங்க 2 பேரும் இல்லாமல் வந்து அதர் ஸ்டாஃபும் வந்து எங்களுக்கு பல்வேறு விஷயங்களை ஹெல்ப் பண்ணாங்க. பட் இவங்களுடைய ஹெல்ப் வந்து வித்தவுட் தியர் ஹெல்ப் வந்து would have not done this much சக்ஸஸ்ங்கிறது வந்து அவங்க 2 பேரோட தான். ஸோ அதே மாதிரி ஷார்ட் ஸ்டோரிஸும் வந்து வி cannot imagine இந்த அளவுக்கு இப்படி எழுதுவாங்களான்னு. வெரி ஷார்ட் அண்ட் ஸ்வீட். சரியா? ரொம்ப ஒரு 4 pages மினிமம் சொன்னா அந்த 4 pagesல அவ்வளோ அழகா அப்படி அவங்களுடைய ஃபீலிங்ஸ், அவங்களுடைய இதெல்லாம் அழகா சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. அப்புறம் பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா எஸ்ஏ ரைட்டிங் வந்து we received 58 out of 58 வந்து நாங்கள் அப்படியே சல்லடை போட்டு எடுத்து 4 வந்து எங்களால் செலக்ட் பண்ணோம். அதுவும் ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது. ஸோ இவ்வளவு வந்து இன்னோவேட்டிவாக திங்க் பண்ணுறீங்க அப்படிங்கிறதே பெரிய விஷயம். ஸோ இட்ஸ் வெரி எங்களுக்கு வந்து ஒரு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து we started this venture as just like that. சும்மா சரி பண்ணுவோம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு தான் பண்ணோம். when the duty was given to us, எங்க டீமுக்கு கொடுத்தப்போ சரின்னு பார்த்தா அவ்வளோ ரெஸ்பான்சஸ் வந்து மலன்னு விழுந்தது. அப்புறம் ஓரளவுக்கு பண்ண முடிஞ்சது. ஸோ we conducted the competitions on different dates. அது உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் 5, 6, 7ல பண்ணிட்டு இன்னைக்கு ஒரு valediction மாதிரி வைக்கலாம். We want to make it a grand valedictory function. அப்படிதான் ரெடி பண்ணி வச்சிருந்தோம். ஆனா முடியாம போச்சு. Because our principal is not available.
மேம் நான் ரெடி மேம்.
ஓகேடா. நான் இந்த இப்ப 2 minutesல சூர்யா கூப்பிட்டு
மேம் thank you மேம்.
சூர்யா வெல்கம் பண்ணிடலாம். சுமதி is going to join us and Angeline ma'am also is going to join us. Now our principal is not available. She is outdoor போல இருக்கு. So she said that she could not come and join us. So now our HOD ma'am, GS Angeline, Dr. GS Angeline will announce the results for elocution competition. Just I am telling her. And our Dr. K.M. Sumati, Assistant Professor of English, will announce the results for other competitions, essay writing, verse writing, and short story writing competitions. So students are also waiting online. They are eagerly waiting. இங்கப்பா விடியுது யாருக்கோ ஓகே. சூர்யா ஏஞ்சலின் மேம் வந்துட்டாங்களா? Ask ma'am come.
பேசாம இருமா, மீட்டிங் நடக்கு. எங்க மீட்டிங் நடக்குது?
Wait for 2 minutes. You will கொஞ்சம் மைக் எல்லாம் ஆஃப் பண்ணிருங்கடா. கொஞ்சம் மைக் எல்லாம் ஆஃப் பண்ணிருங்க. கோழி கூவுறது, சேவல் கூவுறதெல்லாம் கேக்குது. ஓகே மேம் வந்துட்டாங்களா? ஜாயின். வந்துட்டாங்க.
Hello.
Ma'am,
good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, JC ma'am, good morning.
Good morning. Surya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Surya.
Ma'am.
Surya, you can welcome now.
Okay, ma'am. Very good morning, one and all. The best part of competition is that through it we discover what we are capable of and how much more we can actually do than we ever believed possible. It is with much pleasure that I welcome you all to the valediction of the English competition conducted by the Department of English and an internal quality assurance cell of MV Muthaiya Government Arts College for Women, Dindigul. I extend a warm welcome to our respected Madam Principal for accepting our invitation and encouraging us. I feel extremely honored to welcome Dr. G.S. Angeline, Head, Department of English, to this remarkable event. I am very grateful to welcome Dr. K. Sumati, Coordinator, ICAC, and Dr. Ramaswamy, Deputy Coordinator, ICAC, to this harmonious happening. It is my pleasure to welcome Dr. P. Inola Arutchelvi Patpata, Convener, and our beloved staff members who stood behind the success. From college in and around Dindigul, your active participation through the digital platforms has made the competition fruitful. welcome each and every one of you. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Now I proudly call upon Dr. Pula Aruchelvi Parvada, convener of the intercollegiate competition, to deliver the keynote of this program.
Okay. Good morning. Good morning, respected principal, the heads and staff of various disciplines of our college, non-teaching staff, coordinator and deputy coordinator of IQAC, MV Muttaya Government Arts College for Women. My friends are of our department, students and participants. Indeed, it is my pleasure to share our happiness with you all as a team. It is a teamwork, and it is really a great opportunity for us to move with the students of various colleges. Of course, our students too. We had a tremendous journey through the interior of the mindscapes of the young students to bring out the treasures in the form of prose, poetry, short stories, and oratorical talents. We conducted 3 competitions, that is essay writing on 5th May of 2021, short story writing on 6th May, and verse writing on 7th May of this year. Actually, we never expected that the students in large number would come forward to take part in the competitions. For essay writing, we received 58 essays. For short story writing, 28, and for verse writing, 28 responses. It was a sweet surprise to all of us. So we requested the staff of our department to evaluate the works of art. All the literary pieces were given for evaluation to the senior professors of English and got evaluated. The final results is in our hands now. For this, we worked a lot, but students' participation is amazing. And today we had elocution competition. We had 2 judges from our department, Dr. G.S. Angeline, head and associate professor of English, Mrs. P. Hemalata, assistant professor of English, respectively. The competition was heavy, and our judges have the results now. As vote of thanks is to be declared at the end of the program. With my humble thanks to everyone, I remain. Now I request Dr. G.S. Angeline to announce the results for the elocution competition. Madam, please. Madam.
Good morning, everyone. Am I audible?
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Audible,
Yes,
audible.
okay. Okay, all the participants did well, but due to net connectivity, for one particular candidate, we were not able to hear the complete gist of it. But for the other candidates, we were able to hear and we were able to give the judgment. So according to the judgment of both the judges, myself and Ms. Hemalata, Gautaranya of the English department, MBM College, gets the first prize.
Thank you, ma'am.
And the second prize goes to Maha Varshini, ECE, NPR College, Dindigul.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. The third prize goes to S. Harini, first BA English, MV Muthiah Government Arts College for Women.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you.
Thank you,
thanks.
madam. Now,
Okay.
may I request Dr. K. M. Sumati to announce the results for the other competitions? Please, madam.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Can you hear me, all of you?
Yes.
Girl.
Yes,
Yes,
yes, girls.
Yes.
Girls, can you hear him? Girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, it gives me immense pleasure for being a part of this program. And I thank personally Dr. Inola ma'am for giving me an opportunity to read out the list of prize winners. Let me start with the essay writing, which was conducted on 5th of May. Totally 58 participants. I congratulate all the participants and my overwhelming wishes to the prize winners. The third prize goes to S. Pushpa Leela of first BSc Computer Science from Sri Adi Sunjanagiri Women's College.
Thank you, ma'am.
Second prize received by two participants, N. Kamali of third BSc Chemistry of MV Muthiah Government Arts College, and another one receiving the second prize, Ms. J. Nirmala, first BA English Literature, Sadakat Abdullah Appa College, Tirunelveli. Best wishes, girls. And first prize goes to M. Priyadarshini, third BA English Literature, Sri Meenakshi Government Arts College,
Thank you, ma'am.
Madurai.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations, Priyadarshini, Kamali, Nirmala,
Thank
and
you, ma'am.
Pushpa Sheila.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congrats.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations, students.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations, prize winners. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Let me read out the prize winners of short story writing. Third prize goes to P. Ramya of third BA English Literature, Holy Cross Home Science College, Thuthukudi. Congrats, Ramya. Second prize goes to P. A. Niranjana Karthi of first BSc Mathematics, MV Muthiah Government Arts College for Women, Dindikkal. And first prize goes to R.P. Prissy Christiana of first BA English Literature, Lady Doak College. So congratulations to each one of you girls.
Two prizes are shared.
Ma'am, any clarifications, ma'am?
No. It's okay.
Shall I continue, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Verse writing was conducted on 7th of May, totally 28 participants. So the prize winners are, the third prize goes to PA Niranjana Kirti of first BSc Mathematics of MV Muthiah Government Arts College for Women, Dindikkal. Congratulations, Niranjana. Second prize.
Thank you, ma'am.
Second prize is received by two girls. Miss S. Shweta of first BA English Literature, MA Muthiah Government Arts College for Women, and another girl, R.P. Prissy Christiana of first BA English Literature, Lady Doak College, Madurai. Congratulations, Shweta and Prissy Christiana. First prize goes to K. Gayatri Devi of first BSc Mathematics of MV Muthiah Government Arts College for Women, Dindikkal. Congratulations, each one of you girls. Our principal has congratulated all the prize winners on behalf of MV Muthiah Government Arts College. I congratulate Dr. Ino ma'am and her team for completing this a very big task so successfully during this pandemic. Congratulations, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you for giving me an opportunity, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And here, students, now we'll have a vote of thanks by Surya Prabha, Assistant Professor of English. Okay. Surya.
Good morning, one and all. It seems to be a great honor to propose the vote of thanks to all who have helped us in making this event a very resounding success. First of all, I would like to give my hearty vote of thanks to our Madam Principal for her enormous and endless support. Of the department, Dr. G.S.E. for her guidance and great cooperation. I wish to thank Dr. K. Sumati, Coordinator IQAC, and Dr. K. Ramaswamy, Deputy Coordinator IQAC, for for their motivation and organization. I'm happy to express my vote of thanks to our staff members for rendering their hands and making the event successful. I would like to thank Dr. J. Sarajan, Associate Professor and Head, Department of English, Arulolundar College of Arts and Science, Paramathu, for rendering his valuable suggestions and scrutinizing the essays in the essay writing competition. I feel happy to thank Dr. M. Rajaram for selecting the best short series. I wish to thank our respected HOD, Dr. Angeline Ma'am and Ms. Hemalata, for doing their excellent job in judging the participants in elocution. Among the poems penned by the 18 young poets, best 4 poems were written by me. I wish to thank all the guest faculties of our department for their timely care and dedication make this event a grand success. Thank you, dears. Finally, I thank the wonderful students who have turned up in such great numbers, not only from our institution, but also from other colleges. Once again, I thank for all your cordial cooperation. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Surya. Thank you. And the certificates, dear students, the certificates for the winners will be sent to your email in 2 days.
Okay.
Okay. You can receive your certificates through your email. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Best of luck. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.